I'm literally giving you a $2,500 business in this video. This one AI prompt is a business in a box. And by the end of this video, you whoa and just have an idea. You'll have the exact system to get your first sale this week. I'm not just going to tell you how it works. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to build this exact business. And I'm giving you every single template and checklist for free. Let's be honest, starting a business is almost impossible, right? It feels like you need a mountain of cash. You get stuck using complicated software you don't understand. And you waste months, sometimes years, just trying to figure out what you're even selling. The technical stuff is a complete nightmare. Building a website, figuring out how to get paid, creating a product, it's a minefield of costs and headaches that makes most people quit. You basically have to be a developer, a designer, and a marketing genius all at once. It's why so many amazing ideas die. But what if that way of thinking was completely outdated? The game has completely changed. In 2024 and 2025, AI stopped being a toy and became a freaking product factory. This new business in a box isn't some dumb franchise. It's one single, cleverly engineered AI prompt. This prompt is everything. It's your product creator, it's your marketer, it's your delivery system. All in one. Instead of building a giant, complex machine, you're just giving the machine the perfect instructions. We are not selling software. We're selling an incredibly valuable result that fixes an expensive problem for people. This is a system that turns one amazing prompt and a simple web page into actual money, fast. Let me show you how we build it. First, you do not start by writing the prompt. You start by finding a small problem that costs people a ton of money. You need a problem so specific, you can literally measure how much it costs them. Forget solving world hunger. Think smaller. For example, e-commerce stores lose millions from bad product descriptions. That's an expensive problem. Boom. Perfect. Or what about people applying for jobs who get rejected by robots before a human even sees their resume? Huge problem. You could even help local dentists or plumbers write simple ads that just make their phone ring. Each of these problems can be solved with text generated by an AI. For this video, we're going with the first one, creating a niche product description pack for online stores. To hit our goal of $2,500 in 1 week, we just need a simple offer. Let's sell a pack of 5 high-converting product descriptions for $125. To make $2,500, you only need to sell 20 of them. 20. All of a sudden, that number doesn't seem so impossible, does it? Now we build the engine for the entire business. A great prompt isn't a question. It's a super detailed blueprint for the AI. The best prompts have a few secret ingredients. First, you give the AI a role. Tell it, you are a world-class direct response e-commerce copywriter who has made brands millions of dollars. Second, you give it examples to copy. You literally show it what a perfect 10 out of 10 result looks like. Here is a perfect product description. See this hook. See these bullet points. Copy this style. Third, you force a strict output. You control everything. Your prompt will command. The final output must have this exact format: 1 killer headline, 3 benefit-driven bullet points, 1 short story, and 1 clear call to action. No exceptions. And finally, the best part, you build an input system. You can't be editing this prompt for every customer. That's a job, not a business. So you create a simple Google form that asks the client for the basic info: product name, who they sell to, key features. Then you automatically plug their answers into your master prompt. That's how you scale this to the moon. Your first product does not need to be fancy. Speed is everything. The AI generates the text. You give it a quick 30-second human review for quality, and then you package it. Seriously, this can just be a clean PDF or a Google Doc that you email to the client. That's the whole product. To sell it, you just need a simple online store. Again, Think fast. Use a site like Gumroad or Payhip. You can throw up a product page and start taking money in less than an hour. I'm not joking. 1 hour, you write a clear headline. Get 5 high-converting product descriptions in 24 hours. You set your price $125. You could even add a premium to $100 and $50 package for an extra revision. That's your upsell. The goal is not perfection, it's launching. You need a page that explains what you're selling, shows an example, and takes their money. That's it. You can build your entire sales system in a single afternoon. Okay, you have your product and your store. Now you need customers. Forget some long, boring marketing plan. We are doing a rapid launch, and we're going where your customers already live. For our e-commerce product, that means jumping into Shopify communities on Facebook, finding Reddit forums for online sellers, or even spending a tiny, targeted amount on ads. Your best marketing tool is a stupidly simple demo. Record a 60-second video of your screen. Here's a boring product description from a random store. And here's the one our AI system made. See the difference? That proof is undeniable. Then, you launch with a crazy good offer. Announce for the first 25 customers this week. I'll personally review your descriptions and throw in an extra headline for free. This makes people buy now. If you get your offer in front of just 1,000 or 2,000 people, you only need a 1 to 2% conversion rate to get your 20 sales. So, what does this actually look like day by day? Here's the 1-week challenge. Pay attention. Day 1, you lock in your Ideatha product description pack. You build the master prompt and the Google form for customers. Done. Day 2, you build your simple landing page on Gumroad. You write the copy, set your price, and connect your bank. You are officially ready to make money. Day 3, you record that quick demo video. You find 3 Facebook groups for Shopify owners and write a helpful post with a link to your demo and your store. Maybe you put $50 on a targeted ad to pour some gasoline on the fire. Days 4 to 7. This is where it gets crazy. The first few orders come in and you deliver them fast. You immediately message those happy clients and ask for a testimonial. Then, you screenshot those amazing testimonials and post them right back in the same communities. That social proof is a magnet. It proves your service is real. You take the money you just made, put it back into more ads, and ride the momentum over the $2,500 finish line. Look, this system is a repeatable experiment. Because I actually want you to try this, I've put everything into a free business in a box toolkit. I'm literally giving it to you. Inside, you'll get the exact advanced prompt template I just told you about. You'll get a pricing and conversion calculator, so you can map out your own path to $2,500. You'll also get the exact day-by-day launch checklist we just went through. It is the complete playbook to go from zero to your first sale in under a week. I've done all the hard work for you. You can download that entire toolkit for free at the link in the description. Go do it. It has all the files, templates, and checklists you need to run this exact play. And hey, if you want to see more insane business models like this one, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. I'm always breaking down new ways to use AI, and I'd hate for you to miss the next one. Finally, drop a comment below and tell me, what business idea would you build with this prompt system? I'm genuinely going to read what you come up with. What you just learned isn't just a clever trick to make quick money. This is a fundamental shift in how businesses get built. You no longer need to be a technical genius to create something valuable. You just need to be an expert at finding a problem and telling an AI exactly how to solve it. Some people will say AI outputs are low quality, but they are missing the entire point. This system works because the AI does 99% of the work, and the human you does the last 1% to make it perfect. You are the final checkpoint. You guarantee the quality. The ideas we talked about, product descriptions, resumes, ad copy, that's just the beginning. Once you prove this works, you can turn it into a subscription, build a self-serve tool around it, and create a legit, scalable business. This is your chance to run the experiment and build something real in a single week. The tools are here, the system works. Now it's your turn.